Holy Spirit is within these messages, and you will feel the presence of God as you listen to these anointed teachings. Watch this. Your destiny is a divine destination. And because it is a divine destination, you need spiritual intelligence to get there. I want to welcome you to the Rev Ruby channel. If you want to learn more about the Bible, then you're in the right place. If you want to grow in your walk with God, if you want to grow in your faith, if you want to learn in-depth Bible studies, then this is the place to be. Not just teaching off the top of my head. And no, I was saved in 1992. I have been walking with God, not to say that I've done it perfectly. It is my life's work to teach and to pray, to preach and to prophesy, and this is what you will see on this channel. So please subscribe to our channel. Our website is serenitytabernacle.org. Be a weekly video upload, and please check back our channel for that. God bless you, and please join us soon. I look forward to having you.